Yo, the Lost Wizard. We're chilling, walking to the spot right now. We just got a EP that just come out called The Blazing Sun Project. All streaming services, check it out if you're interested. If you skate, then check out Hidden World Skateboards. They make some pretty profound decks. I think you should check it out. Man himself. Just walking down the tracks to the spot right now, and it's like midsummer right now, so it's beautiful. We're gonna barbecue on the waterfront. Trust.
Sounds like a fucking water.
Breeze. Must just be catching the leaves in just the right spot. Edit. They're always growing around water. Bigger. When you like touch them, they explode into like fluff.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I don't know what they're called, but they shoot out of like, they grow out like fishing lakes.
Yeah.
Ooh. You could see a couple of butterflies. That's some luxury birdhouse right there.
Fucking sweet, man. Hotel sweet.
Isn't it? Got the fucking balcony.
I thought it's doing better than me, like.
The bird's doing better than both of us, man.
Damn, bro.
That bird's not doing bad.
That bird's fucking winning at life, man.
Isn't it?
You gotta try and be more like the bird.
Stay high, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Now that we've come out here, though, it's fucking windy as hell.
How about that for a spot? Not got the handle, so the footage is shaky.
What's in that wind-wise, bro?
I think we're alright.
Do you reckon? Thank you, Chris.
Do you need wind block?
Should. It's fucking wonderful. Ugh. No.
Just need enough shelter to get it going.
Just kept burning me fucking finger, man.
Yeah. Like, it's kind of trippy because we can hear, so like, the water's pretty far, right? You can fucking hear, we can hear voices from like across the water, and it's fucking kind of trippy, like shouting, and it's kind of like, I don't know, bro. Pretty fast. It's weird that we can hear that.
So many philosophies, I find it all astonishing. I am simply just a vibe, meaning I am a vibration. I am alive, the great I am creation and creator coincide. If you go inside, you see I am you, unified, meaning I am your lowest self. Get to know yourself, I can ask whoever tame it, don't keep trying to control yourself. I ain't bitch, then use her hands and God and smack her ass. I got urges, scratch my itches urgent, got me acting rash. I need all the splurges, I feel awfully nervous. Can't trust the person, say you love me. Every time you judge me, I hit all your verdicts. Who am I? Nigga, who are you? Got me paranoid, anxiety, smoke another square, make it trapezoid. Life been hard for me, got no tight regard for me. All my life I had to fight the sight with right regard to see. It is insight, but that's a sight that I can hardly see. Plus I'm broke, and his favorite quote is likely gonna be that the best things in life is all for free. Probably RC, pardon me, my sympathy don't never come too cheap. Pity parties like surprise parties, always woe is me. Who am I? It's your higher self. Say hi to yourself. Speaking life into your lifespan. That life bar was hell.
Rain's pounding on my brain where my pain's howling. Stay counting all my blessings as the day's growling. Hey Shaolin child, remain grounding. Strange fountains in the garden of the great mountain. Let the mood change, they're saying they're new strange. One mind, one voice but two brains. When the rhyme flows, you know divine shows. Divine soul on a page, I think time froze. Remember summer days way back in the last. We would skate on the path, then just lay on the grass. Wait, don't stay in the past, accept bad times to make sure the good times last. Erasing your past like a blade to the heart. Stop looking behind, start creating your path. And yes, I know there that the grammar was wrong. I adjusted to fit the rhyme, now the error has gone. I don't need to eat a mushroom to know that we're one. You're fake to me, you can't just sit there and chum. I take the cheese, call me Gromit. So rich as a wallet, make you sweat like the zoo in your pocket. I spit hot rocks like a comet. You're sick, the pot shots made you vomit. As I speak, he's eroding the earth like atomic. So be careful, my brother, don't sow your seed. This track is so dope, you can smell the weed. We live tragic, I'm as magic as number 3. This life's nothing but a leaf clinging to a tree. Don't just sit back and think that it has to change sometime. I'm a gunfight in a sunrise. Feel Christmas every day as I wrap my gift. It's all balanced, work hard, then I strap my spliff. Not the best, but no one can rap like this, the wizard. So the sun goes down